Hi everyone, my name is Chanel Schulman and this is my introduction for medical ethics. Over here is just a picture of me. So how long have I studied at Westfield and what is my major? I've been at Westfield for 2 years, so I'm currently a junior and my major is health sciences. What experience, if any, do I have in the healthcare field? So I was in nursing for my first year and a half at Westfield State. So my first semester of sophomore year, I had clinical, and that obviously gave me a lot of healthcare experience. Currently, I'm a PCA, which is a patient care associate at UMass Memorial Hospital in Worcester, Mass, on the Med-Surg unit. And with this job, I get to see and experience a lot of different health problems as well as help take care of each patient. I see things a lot more different than I did in clinical. What do I hope to do after graduating? So after graduating from Westfield, I want to become a PA, so I want to go to PA school. But because of the competitiveness of PA school and getting in, I may take a gap year and just continue working as a PCA and then after a year go to PA school. But my ultimate goal is to become a physician assistant. So what motivated me to take the medical ethics course and what experience do I have with medical ethics? I honestly enrolled in this course because it's a requirement for my major, but because of my interests in the health field, I think I'll be really engaged with the class and be able to learn a lot that will help me for my future career. So I do have experience with medical ethics, being a PCA. Every shift I work, I have to make moral decisions and choices that are best for the patient and everyone else around, and also choices and decisions that are possible to get done. So that was a little bit about me, so thank you for listening.